Hi everyone, hey, what's going on? Come with me for a day in my life. I was gonna say weekend because I'm not at work. It's Easter break-ish. Not really for me because I have other responsibilities that I'm taking care of with the students at school. Cheerleading, their first championship is on Saturday, and I'll definitely be showing you what it is like for at a cheerleading championship if you've never been, by the way, because you might have been and you are like, I know what a cheerleading championship is. So anyway, spend the day with me. We're gonna run a few errands, so we're on our way now to pick up a package, and there is a surprise in the package. Woot woot, stay tuned. Alright, how much is the fee banana then? $9,000. They look well right. Never just take us. No one buy those and they right up for me. No me say me no one buy those and they go right up for me. Alright, shopping is done. I'm hungry and I look a hot mess. I know. We're gonna pick up the package now. So let's go. We got the package. We're gonna do an unboxing, so wait for it. Right here, I'm actually at a camp. We had a camp for the cheerleaders, and trust me, it wasn't easy. Think about dealing with one teenager and multiply that by 20. But it was fun, and watch to see what happened. Children, tea ready. Last night.
Ladies and gentlemen, in third place here, cheer fest for the very first time. Level 4, Cohen. Our third place team is...
Lahanda Pitney was elated, and so were we as teachers. Trust me, it was not easy. We saw the trophies and we were like, it would be good to get one of these. This was their first championship. It's the first time managing a cheerleading team, so to God be the glory.
They will receive their bronze medal.
Then I went to a funeral that was unconventionally done. They served porridge because the deceased liked porridge, and they also had a bulla and cheese. There wasn't a church, it was in the back of the yard, and then we just went to bury him just in the back of the yard. Alright, my people, here it is. Here is the unboxing. Of course, the package would have been neater, but you know, coming through shipping and all of that, like something one and them throw and fling or whatever. So you get it like this. Me I don't know what to, because I haven't seen it. To be honest, I just waited until I'm doing this video, so we're doing it together. Okay, so I did not cheat. I promise you, I did not cheat. Plus, I was so busy, so I'm just getting to do it. All right, so we have a card right here. Sadra, Madonna, Lindsay, thank you. to this day let me write, and it has from me to you. What we write becomes a tangible form of memory that isn't dependent on the fluidity of our mind over time. To your days with confidence, write. And then there's some contact information. I'll put them in the description below so you can check that out. Let's unbox. I'm also checking this new microphone that I've had for a while, but I haven't used it. I didn't even remember that I had it. I was just thinking, oh, I need some new stuff, tripod stand and stuff like that to make my quality a little bit better, but then I remember this. Okay, fine, let's go. All right, so it's stapled, so quite secured, stapled and taped. It's fine if we destroy the bag because it's already a bit torn through transit. Alright, has a little weight. You can see, has a little weight. Okay, we've got two things in there. I do know that they're supposed to be books, her new books. And if you don't know Sadra Madonna Lindsay, you can follow her on Instagram. So this is the first one. This is lovely. To this day, let me write the guided journal. Life, love, gratitude, and growing in grace. A practical guide for writing your days safely in the abiding presence of the Lord. Based on award-winning To This Day, Let Me Write, an inspired poetic memoir. And it comes sealed with the plastic. And we're going to remove that so you see exactly how it looks. I am excited to receive this. I'm honestly excited. I love to write. I love to journal. Oh, look. Oh my God, we can't hold the excitement. This is so pretty. What we write becomes a da-da-da. And then it has like, do you think God has a purpose for you by just allowing you to be named? Why? You write that. Oh, taking stock of the years. And then there is a part here for journal. Oh, I love this. This is so cute. This goes with me everywhere. Wow. And then you see a beautiful picture of her at the back about the author. Oh, this is going to be my travel buddy. The thing is, it's not heavy. The bigger one is heavy. Let's get to it. Sorry, I can't hold the excitement. No, I already, I forgot to just be myself. I can't be not but myself. Look at this. Jesus. Biblically guided planner. Ah! Who want a planner? Who wants a planner? Alright, guess what? We're going to have a challenge for someone to win this planner. Okay? And I'll tell you more about the channel in a short video. So subscribe now if you haven't subscribed yet, and continue to follow my content. We need to get this planner as a gift to someone. This is, and it's really not that heavy, you know. Look at this. Look at the gold trim. Look at this. This is so nice. Actually, these are for sale on Amazon. Don't ask me the price. To be honest, I don't remember the price. I was blessed with these by the author herself, and I am so elated. Look at this. Feels so good. Jesus. You know, we usually write our book on the bed. This can stay on the bed, and it now go mash up because guess what? It's hardcover. It's hardcover. Jeez, look on the inside. Okay. This planner belongs to. All right. User guide. Annual personal executive review. We've got. Oh, boy, this is so pretty. Me never want to write in there. Top 3 accomplishments, setbacks, things to learn, things to change, areas for improvement. grade your performances over the years. This can be used for personal, business, work-wise, everything. Oh God, me can't wait to start using this daily planner. If I show you guys what I am planning in now, I have different type of books. I have different books, but I don't own a planner. I know it's half of the year, but guess what? This planner can take you maybe up to 3 years. This is so nice. 4th quarter monthly planning, and I probably just use it. I probably just save it for the beginning of next year. All of them like save things, you know, cause life short. You don't know what tomorrow holds. This is really, really nice, and though it's big, I feel like I'm still gonna let this be my travel buddy because it can still fit in my hand luggage. And there's a beautiful picture of the author right here and tells you about her. I'm going to have the author sponsor someone one of these, or the channel. We're gonna collaborate, okay? So between myself, I never remember some on this, you know, it's when I'm not used to something. Between myself and the author, we're going to collaborate to get someone one of these or one of these. It depends on your choice. We're gonna give you a choice as a prize, so stay tuned for information on that. And that's the end of the video. I'm gonna get to my books. I'm sorry. I'll talk to you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.